Morning, guys. Welcome to MB Studios. Today we have our guests, who is Mr. Williams, and then we have a new topic we're gonna use today. Hello, Mr. Williams.
Hello, how are you, Miss Natasha?
We are good. We are here today. We are going to talk about PhD.
Okay.
Mainly, things we want to ask: what is PhD?
Okay, so PhD is one of the higher degrees in tertiary education. It is a research degree, meaning you are researching in a particular field of study. So it goes across board from arts, commercials, to sciences. So you can do a PhD in accounting, in the field of accounting. You can do a PhD in the field of social work. You can do a PhD in the area of human or biological sciences. So that's all about a PhD.
Okay. And then the second question is, why did you like to start this PhD?
Okay. In my line of work, I started as a nurse, so I was just fascinated by how the human being body organs works. That's why I chose this area of medical physiology. There are a lot you can learn about a human being, how the cardiovascular system works, for example, how the gastrointestinal system works, how the respiratory system works, and the things that affect these systems in our daily living.
Okay.
So that's what interested me more about medical physiology, and I choose to do this career path.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we go further, I don't think I asked you what is the meaning of PhD, because our viewers will be asking PhD. You don't know these things.
Okay, so PhD is just like a code for a doctorate. It represents the word doctorate in a particular field of study. So it can be PhD or it can be DPhil, which is Doctor of Philosophy. So it's just a code representing doctorate.
Thank you, Mr. Williams, for your sharing us with your course. And the last question for you is, what is your vision after this? After you finish your studies, what is your vision?
My vision after getting a PhD in medical physiology is probably to go for a postdoctoral fellow. They'll do more on researches relating to how we can contribute to the function of the human being, and to have a deeper knowledge of how we can assist our patients based on empirical evidence from the researches of things which affect us mainly in our daily living, and how we can address them so that we can have less hospitalizations and less admissions, or even to better give treatment which is effective for our patients.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. So how do you encourage same person with your age about this course? Do you encourage them to do it, or what is your...
Yes, so I would encourage one who has chosen this career path. It's more interesting, and there are a lot of areas which you can focus on. You can take the part of doing cardiovascular system. You'll be just looking at the heart, or you can choose the neuroscience field of study, whereby you are looking at how the nerves of a human being functions. We can just choose the respiratory physiology. We can just look how we do gaseous exchange, how one breathes in oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. So there are a lot of researches in these areas, and you can actually find interest in one of those areas, the human being.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, viewers. As you heard, Mr. Williams he talked with us about this PhD. Me, I'll use PhD because this the physiology what no, I can talk what I don't know. So if you want to know about this PhD, you can maybe Google, you can ask him, and then if you like to do this same course, he can help you, he can show you the ways how to do it. So that's the thing I'm saying. Thank you, our viewers, for watching our channel, but don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye.